Welcome in reading comprehension. Dear friends, today I will read the second paragraph of the story, Friends in Trouble. I will read this with Sindhi translation, but I will advise you to do not mix up two languages. So only read in English and in smart English. Just focus on your reading. So let's start the paragraph today. Basit was a kind and helpful boy by nature. बासियत पंहिंजी तबियत में हिकिड़ो भलो ऐं मददगार छोकिरो हो. Moreover, his parents had always taught him to be a kind, sympathetic, helpful and sincere person. ऐं उन खां अलावा हुन जे वालिदैन बि हुन खे सुठो थियणु, रहमदिल थियणु, मददगार ऐं वफ़ादार शख़्स थियणु सेखारियो हो. He behaved very nicely with all his friends, but he had a special place in his heart for Raheel. हू पंहिंजे सभिनी दोस्तनि सां सुठो हलंदो हो, पर राहील जे लाइ हुन जे जीअ में अलॻि जाइ हुई. बासित ऑलवेज हेल्प्ड राहील विद हिज होमवर्क. राहील जे होमवर्क में बि बासित सदाईं हुन जी मदद कंदो हो. He was always willing to guide and help him whenever he faced any difficulty or problem. जॾहिं बि राहील खे का ॾुखियाई पेश ईंदी हुई या कंहिं मसइले खे मुंहुं ॾियणो हूंदो हो, तॾहिं बि बासित हुन जी दिलि सां मदद कंदो हो, हुन जी रहनुमाई कंदो हो. He also happily gave one of his fish to Raheel when he failed to catch any, because luckily Basit often managed to catch more fish than Raheel. ऐं बासित सदाईं पंहिंजी मच्छी बि राहील खे ॾेई वठंदो हो जॾहिं राहील का बि मच्छी पकड़ण में नाकाम थी वेंदो हो, छाकाणि जो सदाईं बासित राहील खां वधीक मच्छियूं पकड़े वेंदो हो. Although Basit was very active and very intelligent, he was not good at climbing trees. खणी जो बासित ॾाढो चुस्त हो ऐं ॾाढो ज़हीन हो, पर हू वणनि ते चढ़ण में एतिरो होशियारु न हो. Raheel, on the other hand, was very good at climbing trees, as he had a tall tree in his house which he had been climbing for an early age. ऐं ॿिए पासे राहील वणनि ते चढ़ण में ॾाढो होशियारु हो, छाकाणि जो हुन जे घर में हिकिड़ो वॾो वणु हूंदो हो डिघो, जंहिं ते हू नंढे हूंदे खां ई चढ़ी ॾाढो होशियारु थी वियो हो. थैंक यू वेरी मच.